Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today I am participating in a collaboration that is called Celebrate the Holidays. Finally, holidays are almost here. It's hosted by Marie from Bargain Bluenird and Creative DIY with MomDas. I will leave a link to their channels in the description box, as well as a link to the playlist with all the videos that are going to participate in this collaboration. Please visit all the videos on both channels. Okay, of course I'm going to do something for Christmas. My daughter and I found, we are dumpster divers. Hopefully you are a follower, a subscriber and know by now, sorry. We are dumpster chicks. Our channel is going to be linked even in the description box below. So we found at Michael's this bag with 4 of these mini canvases. The 4 of them came in their original cellophane wrapping. The bag was closed. No idea why they threw it to the dumpster, but I'm happy I have the 4 of them. So this is how they come, and I'm going to do some ornaments for the Christmas tree with them. Oh, sorry for the noise. So the first one, for the first one, I am going to cut this card that comes from this scrapbooking paper. This is another one I already used, but I had 2 pages. It was here, and I am going to add it here, but first of all I'm going to cut these borders like so, to add them to the bottom and the top part of the little canvas. So these are so quick, so easy to make, and I think they're going to look so cute in the Christmas tree. I can't wait to hang them. They are a little bit longer than the border. I'm going to cut just this part, and now I'm going to add glue, of course. Let's hope this will flow easily. It's not clogged. Yes, it's a little bit. Okay, let's see what happens. Yes, here and on the top. I'm going to use my finger. Then I'm going to add more glue for the fa la 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 part of the card. But now I just want to add here the buffalo check part. I usually have a towel, but I don't have it, so don't look. Don't do this, it's messy. Okay. So let's place one strip here at the bottom. I always say that I have to pay attention, because I say here all the time. I place this here, I place this here, I paint here. No. What is here? The bottom border, the top border. I don't know why I prefer to say here. So now we have this here at the top, and I'm going to try to cut this a little bit, or maybe does it look good? Yeah, I may ruin it if I cut it. I think I'm going to use it as it is, because I was thinking of just cutting this part, but I think it's going to be too much buffalo check. I like how it looks this way. What do you think? Well, you can tell me now, so I have to decide it by myself, and I'm deciding to use it as it is. So I'm going to add a little bit of glue, not here, to the back of the car. Oh my god. Okay, again, my favorite brush, my index finger, and here we go. Oh. Now it's okay. So you can see how easily we can make an ornament for our trees. I'm going to do something to the white border on the sides. I love this Sharpie because it allows me to paint some surfaces without using paint. So you just have to, you can see the chisel top. You just have to paint the border, and you have a finish that is going to make the image. You have to be careful. I should have done this before having it in the card. So the image will stand up a little bit more. Of course, I'm going to finish the other three sides off camera. I just wanted you to see how easy it is to use this Sharpie to paint the border. So, for the top, to be able to hang it from the tree, you just have to, this is a very, very soft material. So with the little scissors, you just press and you can make a hole. Just like this, you see? It's going through very easily. Of course, I have another one done here. Here is hidden under this kind of desk, and I'm going to show you how you can finish it. So this would be one of the ornaments. I told you there were 4 mini canvases. This is another one. I already painted the 4 sides. I used this scrapbooking paper to cover the top, and I did the same with another one that I'm going to show you in a while. I glued it, and oh my god, I painted my finger. And from this other scrapbooking paper, sorry, and with the camera, here we go, I cut out one of these trees and one of these ornaments, and you will see the ornament later in another canvas. For this one, and also, where did I put? Here it is. Using this scrapbooking paper, I fussy cut this wreath, 2 of them, and I'm going to glue it to the top of this canvas, just very quickly. Okay, so let me see. I think this is a better side. And here is the little tree that I cut from that page, and I use this foam board that I had around, and I cut small pieces, and I glued one on the back of the tree to give it a 3D effect. And I'm going to adhere it in the center of the wreath. As you can see again, it's absolutely quick and easy. Can't be easier. So this is another one. This is the one is similar to the other one. The wreath is different, and I used the ornament from the paper I showed you before. In the same way, I added the piece of foam board, and painted the borders with a Sharpie, and glued the buffalo check back and all the elements on top. And the last one is this one. Of course I have to make the hole on top of the other ones. I printed the words Santa's Magic Key on vellum paper, as I do always, because I always say the same. If you are going to transfer something and you use regular paper to print the words or the image, and you adhere it to the surface with whatever, I use this masking tape, you can't see where the image is being transferred. So if you by chance move the paper or have a problem, you don't know where to go on because you don't know where you left off. So if you have this printed on vellum paper, as you can see, I use a pencil to go through every word on the back. You can just move the paper and put it again in place because you can see the image that is under the paper. So vellum paper is the best option when you are transferring some words. So I transfer the words, and then I used another Sharpie, which is this one, which is very fine point, and I wrote the words. And again I use the broader tip Sharpie to go around, and I also went over the border. I think it looks better because it doesn't have many elements. I use this burlap ribbon. I think I bought it on the internet. I don't remember where I bought it. And this is a key. I have a lot of them. That I was a scrapbooker at some time. I stopped scrapbooking like 2 years ago. And I bought those keys like, I think it's 5-6 years ago. And they have these two little flaps. So I made a hole, I passed the flaps through the hole, and we have the Santa's Magic Key. And now here I have made the hole already for the clip. I can see it. I don't know what I did. Maybe it fell? Okay. Anyway, let's do it again. Let me see if it's here. No. Sorry. You can use whatever you want. You can use a ribbon, whatever. I use one of these paper clips, and I cut. Sorry, this is the right side. I cut them like so, and now I just have to bend it a little bit more and pass, even if only one of the pieces pass through the hole is enough. But in this case I was able to place both of them inside, and that's how I'm going to hang this ornament from the Christmas tree. I hope you like this, and if so, please give me a thumbs up, subscribe if you're not a subscriber already, and ring the bell to be notified whenever I upload a new video. I want to thank Marie and MomDas for hosting this collaboration, and please visit their channels and watch the videos in the playlist. Also, as usual, thanks so much to all of you for watching my videos. Hope to see you in my next one, and have a wonderful, wonderful day. Bye-bye.